What's the meaning of bare? Bare. Bare.
Bare. Bare. The word bare has multiple meanings, depending on the context in which it is used. At its core, bare means uncovered or exposed, often referring to something that is naked, without clothing or adornment. This could include a bare tree in winter, a person with no clothes on, or a room with no decorations or furniture. In another sense, bare can mean minimal or basic, as in a bare-bones budget or a bare-bones explanation. The word can also be used to describe a lack of emotion or expression, such as a person with a bare face or a bare smile. Overall, bare evokes a sense of simplicity, vulnerability, and openness.